Looking for a reliable and affordable way to replace your keyless entry remote? This fully tested replacement remote comes with the battery and electronics pre-installed, so you're ready to go right out of the box. No need to worry about complicated setups or extra parts. It's designed to match your original remote in both form and function. What sets this remote apart is the clear, step-by-step DIY programming guide included with every purchase. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can program the remote yourself in just minutes. That means no costly trips to a dealer or locksmith, saving you both time and money. This remote specifically replaces part numbers 15,732,803 and KOBUT1BT. Before ordering, it's important to double-check your original remote's part number to ensure compatibility. These remotes are not interchangeable with others like the 15,042,968, so using the Parts Finder tool is a smart step to confirm your vehicle's needs. Customers from across the U.S. have praised this remote for its ease of programming and affordability. One Chevy Suburban owner shared how they bought two remotes for just $25, compared to $80 each at local hardware stores. They managed to program both remotes plus their original one in under 5 minutes, all thanks to the straightforward instructions. Why does this matter? Because a quick and easy replacement keeps you on the road without hassle or extra expenses. Plus, the included warranty card adds peace of mind, so you know your investment is protected. If you want a cost-effective, reliable replacement keyless entry remote that you can program yourself, this option deserves a close look. It's practical, user-friendly, and built to perform just like your original remote. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your key fob without the usual headache. This remote makes the process simple, affordable, and stress-free, exactly what you need when your original remote stops working.